You ready, everybody? Just a quick one on Victorinox knives. Right, I've got 3 here. Right, somebody asked me once what did I think was the best knife, Swiss Army knife. For me, right, for knocking about outside, is either the camper or the tracker, the camper or the hiker. Right, it used to be called the tracker. The only difference is the camper has the corkscrew, the hiker has the screwdriver. So that would be like your tracker, old-fashioned tracker. It's now called the camper. This is the hiker with the screwdriver bit on it, right? And the other scale tool you get is the reamer. Yeah, the reamer, you don't get the hook on these. So you get corkscrew on one of them, screwdriver on the other, and sewn reamer on the back of them. Right? Main blade, shorter blade, the all important saw, and what's known as the opening set. Bottle opener, screwdriver, wire bender, mini screwdriver, can opener, veggie peeler type thing, whatever they call it. And your scale tools, which is your toothpick and your tweezers. Right? They're a good basic pocket knife, and you can't go wrong with one of them. You get a lot done with these. Right? There's this here which is called the Walker, right? Which is about easily £10 cheaper than a hiker or a camper. Easily £10 cheaper. Right? It's a smaller type knife. Not much smaller in it, right? But it's basic. You get the main blade. They call that the multi-opener. Can opener, bottle opener, screwdriver, little wire bender, and a saw. And in comparison to the saws, it is a little bit smaller, but not a great deal. And again, you get the scale tools on the Walker. Right? I've had to take this out of a fire kit because I'm going to do this video for you. Right? But if you're looking at getting a Swiss Army pocket knife and you're not quite sure which one to get, budget wise, you cannot beat a Walker, right? Legal, very light. And then it would be like the old tracker, which would be a camper or a walker, a hiker, camper or a hiker. That's just gives you a side by side comparison, so you know what's what. But I like Victorinox blades, but these are the ones that first come with the saw, you know what I mean, the old tracker, camper or hiker. And the Walker used to be known as the lumberjack.